Blood sugar crashes, energy dips, and intense carb cravings can point to more than just diet. Hi, I'm Dr. Alyssa, a naturopathic doctor. Today we're talking about chromium picolinate, an important trace mineral that's commonly used to help support healthy glucose control. Chromium is an essential trace mineral that helps with glucose metabolism as well as carbohydrate metabolism. Chromium picolinate specifically helps to enhance its absorption. Its main role is helping to support the activity of insulin, which is the hormone that helps to get glucose into your cells. Let's talk about how it works. You can think of insulin like a key. It helps to move glucose into your cells so that it can then be used as energy. Chromium then helps to support the function of insulin. Because of this role, chromium picolinate is often used to help support energy regulation, carbohydrate metabolism, blood sugar regulation, and metabolic health. Some people may also use it as part of a broader wellness plan to help with blood sugar regulation and energy crashes. Chromium picolinate may be beneficial for those looking to help support healthy glucose control, and people focused on metabolic health, as well as those experiencing energy crashes related to blood sugar fluctuations. Now let's talk about how to take it. This formula provides 500 micrograms taken at 1 capsule daily. Now, a note on safety: avoid if pregnant or breastfeeding, and make sure to consult your healthcare provider before starting if you have diabetes or any kidney disease. Chromium picolinate plays an important role in carbohydrate metabolism and blood sugar regulation. By supporting insulin function and metabolic health, it can be a great addition to a long-term wellness plan. If you've tried chromium before, please let me know in the comments. And if you've enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.